In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion finance tracker. Imagine having all your financial transactions neatly organized at your fingertips, making budgeting a breeze. Well, with Notion, you can achieve this in no time. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Notion account. If you're not already a Notion user, you can easily sign up on their website. Once you're in, it's time to create a new page. Click on the sidebar and you'll see the option to add a new page. We're going to focus on setting up a space that's clear and intuitive for tracking your finances. After creating a new page, give it a name. Let's call it Finance Tracker. Naming your page helps keep things organized, especially if you plan to create multiple trackers or projects in Notion. Now, to make our tracker useful, we need a structure. Type in /TableView to create a database in Notion. This is where the magic happens. With TableView, you can build a dynamic spreadsheet-like page that allows you to track your financial information easily. Once you've set up your table, let's name it Transactions. Naming it Transactions keeps it direct and easy to understand. This table will serve as the heart of your finance tracker where all your data lives and interacts. The next step is to create the columns and properties that will help you track the information you're interested in. Common columns might include date, description, category, amount, and any other specific properties that suit your financial needs. For example, if you want to track expenses related to a specific project or event, create a column for that. To set up a column, simply click on the header of any new column and start naming them based on the property you wish to track. If you want your finance tracker to be even more personalized and detailed, take advantage of Notion's diverse property types. You can use checkboxes, selects, number properties, and more to best represent the kind of data you want to log. As you add more rows of data, you'll find that the filter and sort functions prove to be incredibly helpful. They allow you to sort through transactions with ease, ensuring that your financial records remain clear and organized. Congratulations, you've now set up a basic finance tracker in Notion, a tool that will hopefully make your financial management a bit easier and more effective. You can continue to customize and expand this page as your financial tracking needs evolve. Thanks for joining me today, and happy tracking.